Good evening.
Good evening.
What is features of Java? Explain features of Java.
The primary object of a Java programming language creation was to make it portable, simple, and secure programming language. Apart from this, there are also same excellent features which play an important role in a popularity of this language. The features of Java, also known as the Java Java words, a list of the most important features of the Java language. First one is a simple, second one is a object oriented, third one is a portable, and fourth one is a platform independent, and fifth one is a secure, sixth is a robust, seventh is a architecture natural, eighth one is a interpreted, ninth one is a high performance, and 12th is 10th feature is a multi-threaded and distributed and dynamic. So first we know about the simple simple feature. Java is a very easy to learn, and its syntax is a simple, clean and easy to understand. According to the Sun Microsystem, Java language is a simple programming language Java because Java syntax is based on a C++, so it is so easier for the program so easier for programmer to learn it after C++. Then Java has removed many complicated and rarely used feature, for example explicit pointer, operator overloading, etc. There is a no need to remove unreferred object because there is an automatic garbage collection in Java. So second one is object oriented. Java is a object oriented programming language. That means everything in a Java is an object. Object oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different types of object uh, that uh, that uh, that both data and behavior. Then object oriented programming means OOPS is a methodology to simplifies the software development and manufacture by providing some rules, um, and then platform independent. Java is a platform independent because it is a different from other languages like C, C++, etc., which are compiled into a platform specific machine, while Java is an write once and run anywhere language. A platform is the hardware and software environment in which program runs. There are two types of platform, software based and hardware based. Java provides a software based platform. The Java platform differ from most other platform is the same, but it is software based platform that runs top of the other hardware based platform. It has two components. First one is a runtime environment and second one is a API, application programming interface. So next one feature is a secured. Java is a secured. Java is best known for security. Um, what Java can develop virus free system. Java is secured because no explicit pointer. Java program run inside a virtual machine and sandbox. Uh, then um, then it include class loader, bytecode verifier, and security manager. The next feature is a robust. Uh, in English meaning robust is a strong. Java is a robust because it is a strong memory management. There is no lack of a pointer that allow security problems. Java is a provides a automatic garbage collection which runs one of the Java program. It is exception handling and the type checking machine in Java. So next one is a portable. Java is a portable because Java bytecode is we can write is a Java portable because it is a facility you to carry a Java bytecode to any platform. It is doesn't require any implementation. Java is a high performance because Java is a faster than other language because Java bytecode is a close to native code. It is a little bit slower than the compiler language, for example C. So it is all about the features of Java. Thank you.
Thank you.